I reckon I want me some of that aloo from them Cherokee folk.
That there's Aloo Cheela, mister, from the Mumbai tribe. Looks like you got your Indians all tangled up.
Get me a helping of that Aloo Cheela, and there won't be no trouble.
Well, it so happens we have 3 fresh aloos on the griddle ready for serving. These were made using fast food ingredients. As you can see, store-bought hash browns, matchstick carrots and Aunt Jemima or pearl milling pancake mix. Well, our friends from India are probably rolling in their graves, but we make no claim to anything gourmet, and these actually turn out quite well. Good enough for hungry cowboys, eh? We start by reducing the size of the matchstick carrots so they blend more easily with the potatoes. Next, we add about 2 cups of the hash browns, then 2 tablespoons garlic and ginger paste, followed by 1 egg. We add a teaspoon each of coriander, cumin and Kashmiri red chili. Note that you have a lot of flexibility in how thick or thin you want these aloo cheelas. Use very little water and very little pancake mix, only enough to bind, and you will get a very crisp Indian-style pancake. Or add more water and flour for a thicker American-style pancake. Hand blend the mixture well. Add salt to taste and fenugreek leaves or coriander leaves if desired. Coming right up, we have a hot griddle with some oil and fry up the aloo cheela. These are most commonly served with a variety of chutneys, but here in America, maybe our cowboy wants maple syrup.
There you have it. Fast grub, a quick show, and one mighty satisfied cowboy gearing up for his next big ride. Now you mosey on back to this here channel for more grub and good times. We'll be talking at you again real soon.